I'm going to show you how to install Iris on iOS. So we have a guide on sideloading Iris over there on our website, which is called iristech.co. Then we go for the slash and type in iris-iOS. You should be greeted by this page. So the first thing you should know is that Iris is not available on the App Store because Apple does not allow apps that alter with the screen in any way. So that being said, we are just going to go ahead and scroll down. We should have iTunes installed. I already do, but if you don't, you can just go ahead and download it from here. Next up, we're going to download the Iris install file, and what we also need is this thing called Cydia Impactor. It can be found over this website, and here you can select and download it from your operation system. Right now I'm using Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and select Windows. Okay, so now I have already downloaded them and put them in this folder. You only need iTunes so it can install the drivers for your phone, and after that you can just go ahead and close it. You're not going to need it anymore. So you should get this zip file called Impactor. This is the Cydia Impactor file, and what you can do is just go ahead and click extract here. Then you should see these files. Okay, so here just go ahead and open impactor.executable, and you should see something like this. Okay, it's loading now, and it's ready. Okay, so after you have installed your drivers from iTunes, you should see that it now detects your phone. So what you have to do is just get this and drag and drop it here. Okay, now you need to sign in with your iTunes password and username and email. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in mine and your password, and you will get this error if you're using two-factor authentication. If not, Iris will be installed and you'll be good to go. But if you get this error, if you read it, you can see that you can go to appleid.apple.com, and that's what we're going to do now. We're going to go over there, and here you should see this screen. Okay, so now I just go ahead and sign in with my Apple ID and password, and I just confirm the two-factor authentication code that gets sent to my iPhone. And now I am ready and I can sign in. Okay, so when you sign in, over at the security tab, you should see app-specific passwords. You can just go ahead and generate a password. You can call it whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and, for the sake of this tutorial, going to call it Cydia. Okay, and this is your app-specific password, and that's what you need to log in. We're going to go ahead now and do the same thing. We open up Cydia, we drag and drop this, and here we sign in. Using our app-specific password. Okay, and now we wait for it to install, and we get this error. I get this error because I have already installed Iris once on my phone. I have uninstalled it, but now I am attempting again, so I can't. So the fix for this is you just go here where it says Xcode, and you click on revoke certificates. Now you're going to need to provide your login credentials once more, so we can revoke them for you. And yep, now we can do it. Now we can install Iris. So enter our email, password, and wait for it. Okay, So now we can see that Iris is now installed on our iPhone, iPad, or wherever mobile device you're trying to install it on. And that's it. Okay, so I figured out I should add the phone part as well. You get this untrusted developer error if you install Iris for the first time and haven't done it before. So just do as I do, open settings, profile and management, and just click on the trust button. Then when you get back to Iris, you'll see that you are now able to run it again.